What's the meaning of carnival? Carnival. Carnival.
Carnival. Carnival. Carnival is a festival or celebration typically held before Lent, typically involving public revelry, parades, and costumes. It is a time for people to let loose and have fun before the somber period of Lent begins. Often associated with Latin American countries, Carnival is celebrated around the world in various forms. The celebration usually involves music, dancing, food, and colorful decorations. It is a time for people to come together and celebrate life, joy, and community spirit. Overall, Carnival is a festive and joyous occasion that brings people together in a spirit of celebration.